Source: YouTube. Associated Press. Good news for President Trump's travel ban. The Supreme Court just allowed a temporary lift of the ban's restrictions. Last week, the notoriously liberal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals barred the government from refusing to take in refugees that are part of the U.S. refugee admissions program or have assurances from resettlement agencies. Justice Anthony Kennedy signed the order that temporarily blocked the Ninth Circuit's order, meaning the refugees in that category will continue to be barred. The Supreme Court's decision came 2 hours after Acting Solicitor General Jeffrey Wall filed a request for a stay. Advertisement. Wall's rationale for the stay is as follows: unlike students who have been admitted to study at an American university, workers who have accepted jobs at an American company, and lecturers who come to speak to an American audience, refugees do not have any freestanding connection to resettlement agencies, separate and apart from the refugee admissions process itself, by virtue of the agency's assurance agreement with the government. He continued, nor can the exclusion of an assured refugee plausibly be thought to burden a resettlement agency in the relevant sense. President Trump's travel ban is meant to prevent travelers from Iran, Libya, Syria, Yemen, and Sudan from coming to the U.S. for 90 days. The Supreme Court will hear 2 cases challenging the ban on October 10. This is great news for the Trump administration. The challenges against the ban are clearly on shaky ground, and they are only getting shakier. Liberty Riders will be following this case closely, so stay tuned, Patriots, and don't forget to share. HTMSN